Okay, welcome guys. So today we are going to talk about Search and Rescue Transponder. Normally we call it SART. So this is how it looks like. This is called Search and Rescue Transponder. You can see normally this is the short form SART. Okay, so this equipment you will find on all ships, normally on all cargo ships. The requirement for carriage of this SART is you should have at least 2 SARTs on ships more than 500 GRT, and you should have 1 SART on ship which is more than 300 but less than 500. So like our ship, we have got 2. So the location of these SARTs is one on the starboard side and one is on the port side of the wheelhouse. Okay, so this is our location, and this SART will work on 9 GHz frequency, and you can see the dots when we will be putting it in operation. You will see its blips and everything on 3 cm radars. Okay guys, so this is our search and rescue transponder SART. So I will please zoom and I'll show you a few things. See, like you have got operating instructions on this SART. So mostly you will have these instructions on most of the things, and then you can see here there are 3 buttons. One is on, off and test. So presently it is on off, but whenever you require for real emergency, we will put it on. And for testing, we have got an option for test, so we can test over here. And also you can see here there are testing instructions given, and also if you see here there is a battery life which is mentioned over here, so you can see. So all this.
Excuse me, sir, I have one question.
Yes.
How long the battery will work?
How long the battery work? So the Solas gives very clear instructions for the battery life and operation. So whenever it is in standby mode, so it will work for 96 hours. Okay, so it will work for 96 hours, but when you switch it on or it is being detected by an radar, then it will work for 8 hours. So that is how the battery will be working. So understood?
Yeah.
So 8 hours in real operation, and on standby mode it will be on for 96 hours. Okay, so now we are going to do the testing and see how it looks on radar when we are actually doing, or when you actually see a SART on radar. So we'll see the requirements. Normally when you switch on your SART, if your distance is more than 12 nautical miles, you will see 12 blips on your radar pinpointing the location of this SART wherever it is on. Okay, and if the distance is less than 1 nautical mile from your ship, then you will see concentric circles. So that is, we will be trying out that test. Okay, so let's go ahead with the test, and my friend, he will be doing the test now. Okay, so you take the SART and you do the testing.
For testing, we have to hold down this. Now you can see here red light is blinking.
Okay, come. I am going to show you how it looks on the radar. Yeah. So this is our 3 cm radar. So you can see here, we see all the concentric circles. So this gives the proper location of the SART because it is less than 12 nautical miles. So I hope we have understood the operations and these instructions for the SART, and it is helpful for